everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we are going to be building this hedge. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time of this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 6x6 standard base plate in this light lime green. I'm going to place that down like so. At the back, a 1x6 standard base plate in this dark green, and a 1x6 standard brick behind that. This is going to be the back of our hedge, and it's going to be green, surprisingly. So what do we need now? We need a side attachment brick in this dark green. You can use brown if you don't have dark green. It still works for a hedge. And we're going to bring in some nice standard bricks over here, leaving a gap over here. Some more standard bricks on top like so. A 1x1 standard brick over here. And we're going to get an inverted roof tile in this dark green to overhang the little gap we've got over here. I'll explain what that gap is later. Inside the hedge though, in the middle section, we need a 2x2 jumper plate. I've got this in cream and we're going to stick it down like so. And on the other side, we're going to get this side attachment brick plate, half brick, half plate, in brown because I want to represent a bit of branch in the bush. Over here, sticking out like so. And now we are going to make a little bit more of the structure of the bush. So a 1x6 standard base plate on here, and another 1x6 standard base plate, but at the back. Now this is the part where it gets interesting. We're going to be using some fountain slope pieces, in dark green, and this is going to be the kind of slope at the front of the bush, and we're going to be using 6 of them because why not? Now at the back we're going to be using some more fountain slope pieces, just slightly taller like these ones, and when we place them on here they line up perfectly with our smaller ones. So now we have a kind of lopsided hedge, sorry, like this, and we're going to stick a 2x6 standard base plate on top to make it nice and sturdy. Now on this side of the hedge we want a 4x4 standard base plate. I'm just using this in a kind of mellow green. I'm going to stick it over here like so. Is that in the right place? Is it supposed to be over here? No, it's supposed to be over here. Yeah, I was right the first time. And over here we're going to make a little, cover up the doorway a little bit. So we're going to get this 5-stemmed leaf piece, and we're going to stick this this standard little slope piece on top of the stem. We're going to turn this slightly, stick it on the side attachment brick like this, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our hedge is complete, and you can use this design to copy all over the hedge to make nice circular hedge around your garden. As you can see, we've already got some flowers growing all over it now, and I've designed this especially hollow on the inside because I know that winter is coming and loads of animals will be burrowing in for the winter where I live. So I've got this little tiny rabbit at the moment. You could use a hedgehog or anything, and if you lift the leaf cover a little bit, you see they've got a little bit of a doorway here, and that means we can stick, for instance, our rabbit, or you can use a hedgehog or a squirrel, or even a hamster. And obviously my big fingers are too big, but anyway, place them down over here, and they're going to be enjoying sleeping inside the hedge. What's come across me is that maybe, just maybe, you could also design some little furniture inside for the animal to have a little bit of home comfort inside the winter nights. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!